Hello students, here I am taking one more example of a different type to draw the tangents. So this is the question number 4. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 cm which are inclined to each other at angle of 60 degree. So roughly if we see, so we have to understand what we have to do. We have to construct a circle and then we have to draw two tangents here in such a way that these two tangents inclined here with the angle 60 degree. So this is the question you have. Okay, so to construct, first we have to construct here that a circle of radius 5 cm. So for that you need first compass and ruler. So first you take a ruler and one compass. Now the question is first to draw a circle of radius 5 cm. So for that you mark a point as center. So let this is the point as a center we have taken. The center is O. Let the center of circle is O, and then you have to take the radius of 5 cm. So by taking the radius 5 cm, from here you draw one circle. So we got a circle of radius 5 cm. Now question is, we have to draw the tangents from somewhere outside the two whose angle is in between your 60 degree. So for that you have to draw a radius. Okay, so first you draw a radius. First you draw one radius of the circle. So this is the radius. Let this radius is your OA. To one circle will draw, one tangent will draw at the point A as a point of contact, another will draw somewhere this side point B as a point of contact. So we have to find the point B now. But you can understand if in the circle we have a lot of theorems we have done earlier regarding the tangents. If this is a circle, point of radius of a circle, let this is the point where point P, and we get the two tangents. Okay, if we have these two tangents and we need to this angle 60 degree, here we have to construct the tangent so that this angle between the pair of this is 60 degree. So we know if we join this, it becomes the radius, this also becomes the radius, and by property this will be your 90 degree, this will be your 90 degree, and this is a quadrilateral. So this is 60 degree. So definitely here it will become your 120 degree. So what we do, we'll use this concept here to construct here the tangents. Here we 120 degree, if we construct, this will automatically become your 60 degree. So our task is to here construct 120 degree. Okay, and you know how to construct 120 degree angle by using compasses. So first you have to put the compass pointer at the point center O, and then take a convenient length of arc and draw one arc from here. Okay, and from here you put your pointer back to this point and we'll cut the two arc, one is of 60 degree, another is of 60 degree, to get 120 degree. So this arc will give you 60 degree. Again put your pointer at this place. To cut the another arc, and here will get the another arc. So this is your from here to here 60 degree, here to here 60 degree. So this joining these two lines will give the 120 degree. So join here to get the 120 degree angle. So here we will get the angle 120 degree. Okay, So this is your 120 degree angle. So this angle is your 120 degree. Okay. Now at the point A and at the point B, you have to construct the angle of 90 degree. And again, you know how to construct the angle 90 degree by using compasses. So from here you have to draw the line joining these 2 points till get the 90 degree at the point A. Okay. Similarly, you have to construct 90 degree at this point. Let this point is your B. At this point you let this is the point B. So here you have to construct again 90 degree that will pass through like this. Okay. So like this you have to construct 90 degree at point B also. So at this point B, this is one tangent, and from point A this is another tangent, and both tangents are intersecting at the point P. Okay. So this point P is the point outside the circle from where the two tangents PA and PB are drawn, and angle between these two automatically it will become your 60 degree. Okay, because here we have done construction 120 degree. So 120 degree you have constructed, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, automatically becomes 60 degree. So required tangents are PA and PB. So PA and PB are required tangents. I hope you understood. This is also a very important construction of this class 10 at the examination point of view. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you.